You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country, as well as how to say more country names that too many people mispronounce the name of this island in Europe. How do you say it? Island. Land. Island. Now in American English it's said rather as Ireland. And now you know. More videos, we're here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.